back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing the Fall 2019 Causebox. And this is a brand new box to my channel. I'm so excited. I have been eyeing this box for a while and I finally decided to jump on and order it because I really like the message behind this box. So before I get into telling you about that, I do want to remind you guys we have two active giveaways. We have the makeup and skincare giveaway that ends on October 4th, so just a couple days. That link is going to be down below, as well as a link to the Boxy Luxe unboxing video where we have a giveaway in there as well that does end on the 13th. So if you haven't entered, make sure you do so. And if you are new, welcome. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you. We have a great time here. But let's get into the Fall 2019 Causebox. So as I said, this is a fall box because this is a seasonal subscription. So every fall, winter, spring, and summer. And it is, now you can go ahead and obviously prepay annually. If you do that, it makes the cost of each box $49.95. If you pay quarterly, it is $54.95. You are guaranteed to receive over $200 in value in each box. It is free shipping. I do have a link I will put down below if you'd like to check it out that will save you $10 off your first box. But it says that they have exclusive and ethically made products, socially conscious brands, beautiful and useful products. And this fall box is still available, so that is awesome. And like I said, it is free shipping within the US, so they do ship to Canada, but there's a charge for that. And yeah, so I just think that knowing that they work with socially conscious brands and ethically made products, I like that, you know, fair wage type things and all of that good stuff. So, and it's always beautiful products. Other unboxings I've seen of this in previous months or seasons I've had my eye on it, and I finally, like I said, decided to sign up. So let's get in here and see what I got. Now, as a seasonal member, or an annual member, I'm sorry, you do get to customize a couple of the products in the box. As a quarterly member, you do not. And I did sign up quarterly, so I didn't get to customize anything in here. So it's gonna be a surprise. So let's get it open. It does look like the box had a rough time getting here, but I think that it is very pretty. From my understanding, they work with a different artist every season to design the box, and I think that's fantastic. So then when you open it, this is what you see. Causebox. Again, that is gorgeous. And looks like we have a pamphlet right here. Something else. And then our goodies. All right, so what is this? It's a store credit for known supply. So that's probably one of the featured brands. But here is the little booklet, which looks really nice, actually. The fall box, okay, so it's curated. It says to help you access your adventurous side, regardless of what that might entail. Like social gathering, a long weekend trip, snuggle up and read a book by candlelight. Okay. All right, so, all right, perfect. I was wondering if they were gonna do this. So it tells us what is in the box and the pricing, so I like that. Let's take a look here. So, oh, I'm excited. Okay. Because like I said, you can't customize as a quarterly or seasonal member. And I knew one of the items that was available for customization had 3 different options, and I was really hoping to get a specific one, and I got that one, so I'm really excited. And it is from Known Supply, which is actually what that little gift certificate thing is for. And it is a Weekender duffel bag. So I got this like gray and white stripe. Now they did have like an army green solid and then like kind of like a denim or, you know, bluish solid, but I really liked the striped. And I just love weekend bags. I do have a couple, but this one looks like it's gonna be, and obviously here it has the strap. Yeah, this is a really good size. Is this just not so cute? I love this so much already. The little packs. There is a little zipper inside. Made in India by Lalit. Learn more about this. Literally tells you the name of the person that made the bag, you guys. That is awesome. I love this. And again, I'm so happy that I got the gray and white stripe. And then again, it does have the strap you can hook on. Ah, I love it. I love it. I love it. And that is $108 value. Oversized duffel for everything from weekends away to trips to the gym. Handmade by artisans in Jaipur, India. Yay! All right, so then we've got, they wrapped everything up so well. Luckily, my scissors are right here. All right, so this is from Malin & Go. It's a recovery treatment oil. Multitasking treatment oil that provides hydration and helps skin feel softer, smoother, and brighter. Naturally composed of 9 antioxidant-rich oils. It's an $82 value. So that's outside. That's a good size, especially for a facial oil that would last a very long time. And it just kind of has that, it doesn't have much of a scent, but what I am smelling kind of reminds you just of essential oils. It's not a perfumey scent or anything like that. I may actually set this to the side because I am only about 100 away from 6,000, and I have started collecting things for my 6,000 subscriber giveaway. And this I think is going to go into that pile because I have a couple of facial oils, and I think one of you guys might really like this. It is cruelty free, which is great. So yeah. All right, so let's see what else we got. Labute. Let's see. Labute Soy 10-piece makeup brush collection. Oh, 10-piece makeup set of brushes for every imaginable use and look. Every brush is made with vegan and cruelty-free bristles and packaged in a thoughtfully designed vegan leather clutch. It's $24. So, okay, and it's got like a rose gold accent here. This, you know what I think I'm gonna do with this? Because, yeah. So you literally can do a full face. This is going to stay, since it wraps up with the case, this is gonna stay just like this and stay in my overnight bag, in my suitcase. That way I don't have to pack brushes and do all of that. I have a set wrapped up, ready to go. I love that. That is awesome. All right. And then, okay, this was one of the items that we would have been able to customize. I just wasn't because, again, I didn't sign up as an annual member. If I could get it out. It's a necklace. I would have selected silver because I am definitely more of a silver girl over a like yellow gold. Either way, this is still gorgeous. And I actually do have yellow gold. What is on me? I keep seeing stuff like squigglies. I did put yellow gold on just in case. But this is the Nashville Heather Drop Lariat, a custom for Causebox take on the classic Y silhouette. This gorgeous lariat can be dressed up or down. For every product Nashville donates 10 meals to those in need. That is so amazing. And this is a $38 value. All right, so let's see. Since I have on all right, so here you kind of see it, like, see, I do have squigglies on me. It goes through and you can loop it and you can kind of have it set wherever you want. That is actually really pretty. I really like that. All right, and then they always include a postcard with artwork from the person that also did the box. And this is from Minerva Gonzalez Martinez. So there's the postcard. It is very pretty. And then, let me get my scissors back out. They definitely package stuff very well. La Lure, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, I apologize. White cactus, flower, coconut, and musk. Oh, it's a candle. 8-ounce coconut wax blend, hand poured in the USA. Yay! Cruelty-free, reusable glass vessel, sustainably sourced ingredients, hand poured in the USA, 100% cotton wick, proprietary coconut wax blend, phthalate, paraben, and sulfate free. Oh, all right. Y'all know I love me some candles. Let's see what it says. White cactus coconut wax candle, a fresh take on autumn. This candle was developed from sustainably sourced ingredients, including a proprietary coconut wax blend. Every lure candle is hand poured in the USA and packaged in a gorgeous reusable glass vessel. $35. It's wrapped up with their, so when the candle is gone, you have this. That is awesome. Oh, that smells good. Now it says a fresh take on autumn. Doesn't really remind me of autumn when I smell it, but it smells amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be lighting that so soon. That smells so darn good. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then we have one more option or product, and this says annual members have the option to choose one of the following 2 products. Causebox selects for quarterly members. Either way, you can't go wrong. And I can see what I got. I'm actually not going to open it because I already have one. And that is the Underwood letterpress. It's a letterboard, which is great, but like I said, I already have one. And it says Felt Letterboard, a fun letterboard for fall from San Francisco-based letterpress stationery shop, Underwood Letterpress. We can't wait to see what kinds of creative uses you find for yours. The other option, which I kind of was hoping for, since we do travel some, was a Terezzo travel wallet from Glass Ladder and Company. And it says exclusive collaboration with Australian artist Christine Lebinsky. The travel inspired wallet is the perfect gathering place for all your traveling essentials. So I don't know yet what exactly I will do with this. This may end up in the 6,000 subscriber giveaway once we get there. I don't know. But yeah, so I already have one, so no need to open this one, but I still think it's a great item to have in here. And overall, I do think this was a really great box. I don't know that I really feel fall vibes from that, but I'm not really feeling fall vibes from a lot of the seasonal boxes, unfortunately. I'm definitely feeling them in other boxes, like monthly boxes or even bi-monthly, but overall, I still think this was a fantastic box. I love the duffel bag. I love the travel makeup brushes. The candle smells fantastic. The facial oil, I know is probably a wonderful product. Like I said, I just have so many. I'm going to pass that along and put that in the 6,000 subscriber giveaway. Same thing with this. This necklace is beautiful. So I really enjoyed this box. It is still available, like I said, so I will put a link down below if you'd like to sign up. That link will save you $10 off your first box if you have not signed up with Causebox before. So definitely check them out. Like I said, this I think was really great. I will put right down here the total value of this box. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.